Today is our interprofessional event at the Sacramento Garden. We're here with the social work program, and we're collaborating with students, learning from them, and talking things sustainability, as well as working with our refugee populations.
Students are learning about the importance of healthy eating, of a minimally processed diet. They're learning not only about the nutrients that are found in fresh fruits and fresh vegetables, but about some of the medicinal properties that those plants contain, such as stress-relieving herbs like lavender and lemon verbena.
We came together to look into the possibilities that are in the garden of providing different herbs and learning about different vegetables that can be integrated into the food of different populations in the Sacramento area, currently mainly Ukraine, Syria, and Afghan communities.
We're going to find lavender, different tea plants.
How a hands-on experience like this helps me learn is that there's so much academic focus involved in these fields. And when we add something like this, there provides a sense of vocation. It awakens other senses. You get to put your hands on things, see things, hear things, smell things. It imprints much larger on you.
Community gardens are a great resource and space to be able to come together, to learn from one another, and just get out and enjoy some sunshine.